Good afternoon. Very, very, very sorry for all those people who have been waiting for us, okay? See, there was some technical glitch, maybe due to bad weather, we were not able to upstream ourselves. So, very sorry for that inconvenience. So, hope all of you would understand, okay? It was not deliberate. It was something where we were deliberately trying, I'm sorry, we were really, really trying to come in front of all of you because we wanted to come as eager as all of you are. We wanted to make sure that we come in front of all of you. Okay, so what we will do is, I know that your valuable times are all gone a lot. So what we will be doing is, we'll be also looking into the aspect of coming in. What can you say? We will also just what can you say? Um, do at least one part, because we never wanted you to feel that we have left you. We will never leave you. Neethu's family is always there with you. Okay, we'll be there for you. Okay, so thank you for that patience once again. Okay, so what we will do is we'll just stick to one part B. Okay, so the part B, as always, the question, Rema Pratap, good afternoon, a very good afternoon. Sorry for that inconvenience caused. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും a big, big, big thank you for waiting, okay, this long, even though it was something which, um, what can you say? Asha Seven, good afternoon. We were literally we were trying to, it was not able to, we were not able to upload it. So that is what has happened. So um, yeah, Rani Robin, good afternoon. So how was your weekend? Did you all miss this for 2 days? Did you? അങ്ങനെ മിസ് ചെയ്തു ആരെങ്കിലും? നിർമ്മല സംഗീത മേരി, good afternoon. Sarika Sajid, good afternoon. A very, 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 very good afternoon to all my lovely students who have been showing so much of love, affection, passion towards Neethu family. That is why we were really, 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 really looking somehow to at least come in front of you, at least with a part bay. Adira Mohanan, good afternoon. Minu Shibin, good afternoon. Right. So are you all ready? Anju Sri, good afternoon. ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ പുതിയതായിട്ട് അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ആരെങ്കിലും? Is there anybody who's attending for the very first time? Good afternoon. Really last exam. I was told, Deepu, so don't worry. See, നമ്മൾ എപ്പോഴും whatever the thing it is about our assessment അല്ലേ? See, we always feel that ഇനി ഒരു just ഒരു insight പറഞ്ഞുതരാം. When you go back to your previous exams, okay, നിങ്ങളൊന്ന് നോക്കി ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? നിങ്ങൾ ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ടാണെന്ന് പറയുന്ന എക്സാമിനാണോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കൂടുതൽ മാർക്ക് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുള്ളത്? ഈസി എന്ന് പറയുന്ന എക്സാമിനാണോ കൂടുതൽ മാർക്ക് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുള്ളത്? ഏതിനാണ് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുള്ളത്? ശിവാന്യ നതീഷ്, ഗുഡ് ആഫ്റ്റർനൂൺ. ബിന്ദു ഷിനോജ്, ഗുഡ് ആഫ്റ്റർനൂൺ. ലോഡ് ഓഫ് ന്യൂ നെയിം. ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ ഹൂസ് അറ്റൻഡിങ് ഫോർ ദ വെരി ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം? മിനു ഷിബിൻ, യെസ്, ഓക്കെ, ഫെയർ എനഫ്. യു റെഡി? മനസ്സിലായി. നമ്മൾ വി ഹാവ് ഡൺ ആ പാർട്ട് അല്ലേ? Our exams have done and dusted. We have done to whatever we could. Now just pray well. He will not leave you. Savita Sunil, good evening. A very, very, very good evening to all my lovely students who have taken so much patience to wait for us. Liba Libin, good afternoon. So without wait, Anju Kunjus, good afternoon. Atira Mohanan, yes, okay, fair enough. Anju Kunju, sir, okay. So are you all ready? Yes എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. So Manju Marita, good afternoon. So just to once again, all those people who have just entered, we are very sorry. It was not deliberate. We were really trying hard to upload, but some technical glitch, maybe due to bad weather, or we were not able to. Okay, Madhusmita Bera, good afternoon. Sarah Thomas, good afternoon. അപ്പോൾ ആരും പുതിയതായി ആരും ഉണ്ടെന്ന് ആരും പറഞ്ഞു കേട്ടില്ല. So without wasting your valuable time, we will just do part B today. Okay, so the part B, as usual, you know that the question will be popping up on the screen, and if you have not enrolled to our Telegram, we have just pinned that Telegram group also. Okay, just there you have the question. Please do the question and then we will discuss. Okay. Right, time have just gone, isn't it? So I have missed a few names. Okay, it is not something because I didn't want to disturb the other students when they were doing. So now, as you know, that part B, even though students have that general perspective, okay, part B is a bit more challenging than C. It's not like that. It's about how we take it. So I'm just going to give you the most important thing why we feel something which is a bit on the aspect of difficult or challenging in part B is because you don't understand the question. That's a problem. See, you should know what the question is asking you because you are expected to find an answer to the question, and you have to understand it is about different questions of different perspectives, isn't it? So don't think that keyword will give you the answer. Paraphrased, okay, it's the gist that you need to find out in the end, the purpose. Okay, so what are we going to do? The first and the foremost important thing when you're doing a part B is read the question, underline the keywords in the question, understand the question. Very important. And then you are expected to find an answer to the question, what the question is asking you for. So you can read the question, underline the keywords in the question, understand the question. Very important. After that, you can do two things. If you're a voracious reader, you want to read the passage, please do read the paragraph and then pick an answer. If you're like me, read the answer option, underline the keywords in the answer option, then go read the paragraph and pick it up. Okay. The most appropriate way of finding the answer is the elimination method. Okay. Now, would you be kind enough to tell me what is your answer and where you have got the answer from? What is your answer? Where you have got the answer, not just what is your answer. Okay, because Neethus Academy always want to know, because we try to mold from where you went wrong, if at all if your answer is wrong. If your answer is wrong, be happy, isn't it? Right, now would you be kind enough to tell me what is your answer or what are your answers? എന്താണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ ആൻസർ? എവിടെ നിന്ന് കിട്ടി? അതൊരു ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് തിങ് ആണ്. എവിടെ? പറയാവോ എന്താ നിങ്ങളുടെ ആൻസർ? എവിടെ നിന്ന് കിട്ടി? And nobody have told me that you're attending for the very first time. കാരണം കുറേ പുതിയ പേരുകളുണ്ട്. But Bijo Varghese is saying C. Okay, fair enough. Okay, the first person to tell me is C. Right. ഇനി എവിടെ നിന്ന് കിട്ടി? അതാണ് അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. C, okay, fair enough. എവിടെ നിന്ന് കിട്ടി? കാരണം ആ എവിടെ എന്നുള്ള വേർഡിലാണ് എല്ലാം കിടക്കുന്നത്. How about others? The question is very simple. See, if you really look into the question, what is correct about MCP എന്നുള്ളത് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. The B, last 5 lines, okay, fair enough. Pramita, good evening. Now, what is your answer? Where you got the answer? The question is very simple. The question is just asking you what is correct about MCP എന്നുള്ളത് മാത്രമേ question ഉള്ളൂ. Okay, as when you're typing A from the last 5 lines, okay, fair enough. Jinsi Reggie, first time, sir. Thank you very much, Jinsi. Would you be kind enough to tell me where are you from? Liba is also saying A from the last line. Okay, fair enough. Now, Femi Francis, good afternoon. Sorry for the late coming. Femi Francis, we are very sorry because we started late because there was some technical glitch into it. So we'll be only discussing part B today. Now let's see. See now the answer options. Okay, see what are the answer options. So keywords are very important even in answer options. So MCP1 may play important role. See, important role in development of pulmonary fibrosis in SSC. So important role development pulmonary fibrosis SSC. Jinsiraji Calicut. Okay, thank you very much. Now, option B, what are they talking about? Abnormal accumulation of macrophages will lead to production MCP. So, accumulation macrophages, production. Those are my keywords in option B. Now, option C, what are they saying? Not much evidence. So, not much evidence to show ILD directly interlinked to collagen. CCL2 is known as monocyte. Okay, so these are the 3 different answer options that is mentioned. Now let's go into the paragraph. Now what is the paragraph talking about? See, the paragraph is talking about, what is the paragraph saying? Hemoattraction protein MCP. So it's very clearly saying what is it talking about. So MCP1 is a member of CC chemokines in vivo. Okay, in vivo is a very terminology. Okay, in vivo means new. New studies suggest that MCP1 recruits monocytes, macrophages to sites of inflammation in a wide variety of pathological conditions, including ILD. Now, this is an abbreviation, isn't it? ILD means interstitial lung disease, so which you know. I'm not saying you don't know. Okay, the plasma level of CCL2 is correlated with FVC, again another abbreviation, isn't it? FVC means post vital capacity in SSC. SSC again abbreviation, which is systemic sclerosis. So, however, see, every time when these words call however and all these things come, okay, please ensure that you give some special attention. These are called cohesive markers, which gives you a lot of insight to the answers. However, there were no correlation between ILD severity and primary fibrogenetics, such as collagen. So, not much evidence to show that ILD directly interlinked. So they are saying no correlation. So it's an absolute eliminator, isn't it? So option C is eliminated because you can easily understand. So that might be because skin fibrosis peaks early during the course of SSC and improves later, while fibrosis is a pulmonary tissue continues to progress even at later stages of the disease. So you can easily eliminate those. Okay, so a study examined serum levels, spontaneous production of by peripheral blood mononuclear cells, PMBC. Again, a lot of abbreviations in here, isn't it? And histological distribution in the affected skin of MCP1. Elevated serum level of MCP significantly correlated with the presence of pulmonary fibrosis. So pulmonary fibrosis development important role. So what are they saying? Elevated serum level of MCP1 significantly. So important correlated development presence of pulmonary fibrosis. MCP1 was expressed in mononuclear cells and vascular endothelial cells in 41%, 9 out of 22 of sclerosis patient. The frequency of infiltrating mononuclear cells and endothelial cells that produced MCP was significantly higher in SSC patient with early onset than SSC patient with late onset. So the answer is very simple. The answer is, which one is the answer? So I have eliminated two for you, isn't it? So the answer to the question is A. Understood? Any doubts with regards to the questions or with regards to any of the answer options that we have told? Any doubts? See, what happened is there is not much evidence, so they are clearly eliminating, isn't it? However, there is no correlation. So they are clearly saying there is no correlation. So that is enough for you to eliminate it. Understood how the answer came? Yes? Namita and is dancing. Very good. Keep on dancing. Good, good, good. I could see a lot of love and affection being pumped into us. Thank you so much for all those love and affection that you have, or you are continuously giving us. And that is the only reason why we never want to make sure that you feel at any given instance a feeling of sadness because we were not able to come. So, once again, is there anything else that you want me to clarify? No, any doubts? Any doubts? No doubts. Raji mode. Okay, clear. Very good. Right. Okay. Clear. Okay. Fair enough. I was just waiting to see what you were or if there is any doubt. So do not worry. The part A would be discussed tomorrow. Okay. Because we don't want to, like, do things on a fruitful basis. We want all of you to be at ease, and we want you to study in a free time. Okay, and not free time in the sense that we want you to study with the utmost relaxation. We are trying to overcome things which we never try to do that in Neethu's Academy. Okay, so do not worry. Once again, sorry for that inconvenience. We will definitely be looking at rectifying all those issues. Okay, but there are some things which we are not really able to, which are out of our hands due to bad weather and all those things. Okay, so unless I see you tomorrow, adios from all of us from Neethu's family. Take care. God bless you all. Bye.